Xiaomi is going all in with the Xiaomi 12 Ultra. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Xiaomi 12 Ultra is close to its official launch and we are starting getting confirmed news about the specs, and even the design of Xiaomi 12 Ultra is out, where we see some big changes in it. According to the previous news, Xiaomi is going to reveal Xiaomi 12 Ultra in May 2022, but latest update says we may get Xiaomi 12 Ultra in June or July. There's a big news regarding its processor, which is going to release this month, and Xiaomi 12 Ultra could be a tough competitor for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which one would you get, Xiaomi 12 Ultra or Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to Chinese media, we have got a leak on Chinese version of Twitter, Weibo, where we can clearly see the back design of the upcoming Xiaomi 12 Ultra, and it is no surprise since this smartphone started getting leaked in December last year with the same design, which from this picture we get the camera details. We'll get 3 lenses on the back, 50 megapixel main lens, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel telephoto, which can possibly have a feature of 120x zoom, and 48 megapixel selfie camera. Some big numbers in cameras, but let's see how well they perform in low lighting. Meanwhile, Xiaomi 12 Ultra is going to come with Snapdragon 1 Plus. Now, Snapdragon 1 will going to release on 20th May 2020, so it is confirmed Xiaomi 12 Ultra is near to its official launch. And as we all know, Snapdragon 1 Plus is going to be 10% faster than its previous generation, so a valuable update over here. Xiaomi 12 Ultra will going to come with 6.73 inches LTPO to 120Hz AMOLED display, which can go from 1Hz to 120Hz depends on usage, and will comes with whopping 120 watt fast charger, more than double what Samsung offers in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, just 45 watt. Now the Xiaomi 12 Ultra specs are confirmed. It is really close call between S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12 Ultra. But Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra got an edge over Xiaomi 12 Ultra since Xiaomi don't launch their phones in the US. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which one would you prefer, Xiaomi 12 Ultra or Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.